After you type the MongoDB community server, you will get the first link to go to the mongodb.com, and you can get the download package in here. You can click the download link. Okay, double click the link and it will show you the setup, and click next, accept the terms and license agreement, and click the complete version, and it will say you need to run as a service as a network service user, as a service as a local domain. Go with the network service user, click yes, and click this button. Also install MongoDB Compass. I'm going to show you guys earlier, and click install. Click yes. And you can see it's initializing the process for the community, MongoDB Compass community. And you can go click computer and program file. You want to click MongoDB server 4.2 bin, and you need to copy this path first and go to the environmental variable, click open, go to the environmental variable and click path, click edit, click new and paste it in here, click OK, click OK, click OK, and come to OS and make a new folder in here, data, and create another folder called TB. Now you're good to go. Okay, go to the cmd command prompt and type MongoDB. Now you start the Mongo community server, and then you can click another command prompt and type Mongo. Then it will start the Mongo shell. Just a little bit wait. Okay, it start the Mongo shell, and then you can go to the Mongo Compass and click connect. Then it will automatically connect, and you have it's normally running in the localhost 27017 port, and you have these databases. And if you want to see your database, you can type it in here, show DBS. Then it will show you the how many database you have, and you can type IT 640 to create a new database, and we can get the, but it doesn't show it in here, but because it doesn't have any data. So you can type db and check what is the database you are in right now. Also, if you need to make a new database, you can create it in here, create database, and we will call IT 640 OS, and we'll call create a collection called customer and create data. So if you want to get the data, you need to go to the inside of the collection, and you can click the import data button, and you can click the browse, and if you go to the download, I need to click the CSV file in here, and you can see customer data I do have as a CSV. You can see these are the data fields, and you need to just click import in here, and it will import it. Then you can go over here and check. Those are the things in here, those are the records in here. You can see there's a 115 documents. These are the one document is a one row, so there's a 115. If you want to see it as a table view, you can click the table view and check all the fields for the customer table or customer collection. And if you want to create another collection, you just want to go here and create that. Maybe we'll create branch, create collection. You need to go to the branch, then click import, and the location .csv, go to branch and click import. Done. And here are the branch documents. There's a 15 branch in here. And if you want to see those things in command prompt, you can create switch use IT640 OS, IT640 OS. Then you can check TP, and you can click show collections. Collections, and you can see branch and customer in here. And if you want to find the records in here, db dot branch dot find, this will show all the branches in here. And if you want to see it in a little bit prettier looking, you need to do the pretty, and this is much readable than the earlier one. So with branch number, street, city, state, region number, zip, those are the same in here.